In this video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions to multiple clips in Davinci Resolve. So, what you have to do, in fact, I'm just going to cut this video so I can add some transitions here. Now, Control A, select everything or just videos that you want to add transitions to, and then we go to Effects. In here in Effects, I'm going to select video transition I would like to use. I'm going to use this block glitch, and then I right click and here select set as standard transition. Now what you have to do, just press on your keyboard Control plus T, and now we have our transition, as you can see. And yeah, you can play with a control the transition, change settings, increase the duration of the transition. And yeah, I think this is gonna save you a lot of time. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.